Sir, are you okay?
Just breathing right now, ma'am.
Okay. Do you need to have a seat?
I think I'll be fine.
Just one second. Deputy Laura, we're gonna get him a seat.
There he is.
All right, yes, let him have, sir, have a seat.
Thank you.
And just take deep breaths. Do we need to call somebody for you? State of Texas versus Marlon Daniels. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, hand on.
Defense?
George Sherman on behalf of the defendant.
And are you Marlon Daniels?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense has filed a motion for release of personal property. State, have you a chance to review that?
I reviewed it last week, yeah.
All right, any objections?
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, it's just, in just abundance of caution, the state has not reviewed the possible items that would be returned. I know that there's some identifying papers, and there's other objects that we may not be opposed to necessarily. I believe Mr. Sherman said something about a scooter of some sort for
All right.
getting around.
Let me go through the list and you just tell me what you have objections to, then I'll hear it. All right, his wallet.
Objection.
All right, and what is the state's objections to him receiving his wallet back?
Identification purposes, Your Honor, for him being in the vehicle.
All right, so is it possible for parties to make a copy of the items that are in the wallet, make a copy of his driver's license, make a copy of the VA documents, have the defendant and defense sign off to the fact that these are copies of the wallet, the driver's license, and the VA documents that were in the vehicle?
I'd be fine with that, Judge,
Yes, that's fine with the state. Your Honor.
All right.
as long as we can do it soon.
Well, that's something you all have to work out
Okay.
amongst each other. So the wallet, the driver's license, and the VA documents will be returned once the state has made copies of those. Mr. Daniels, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, ma'am.
You can lower your hand.
Thank you.
So you understand the wallet, the driver's license, and the VA documents will be returned to you once the state is able to make copies of those documents?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that your attorney has agreed that you will sign a document stating that the copies the state will make of the wallet, the driver's license, and the VA documents. You will sign a document stating that those documents, the originals, came from the vehicle, whatever part of the vehicle, and that you agree that they will have been found in that specific place.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Personal documents.
I don't know what the personal documents are. Your Honor.
Badge that you.
What are the personal documents?
Garage door opener, key card for work.
All right, just one second. Let's slow it down.
Right now.
So the garage door opener,
Key card for work.
key card for work,
And there's a gym bag and it has a miscellaneous items in it.
gym bag. Well, here's the thing. We have to be very specific.
Okay.
What's in the gym bag?
Probably pencils, pen, an air pump.
All right, so with regards to the gym bag, the court is not going to agree to release that to you until people have had a chance to view what's in the gym bag.
Okay.
All right. Garage door opener. Any objections? Okay. Key card from work.
Maybe just a copy of the judge. I don't know if it has a photo ID or anything.
All right, so the key card from work.
It doesn't have photo ID, ma'am. It's just a regular,
All right, so what we'll do is the state will make a copy. Both defense and you will agree that that is a copy of the original that came from the vehicle. All right, so those will be released. Air pump.
So for basketball or something. Sort.
What is the air pump?
the air pump was basically for when I have flat tires, emergency purposes.
No objections to that.
Okay. Clothing.
I had two jackets, winter jackets, one hoodie, they're both hoodies, one's a zip up hoodie.
Winter jacket and hoodie. State, is that an item that you all can have somebody take photos of?
That's what I was gonna suggest, Your Honor. Just we can take photos of those items.
All right, so they're going to take photos of those items. And again, counsel, and you will stipulate that those items were found in the vehicle?
No problem, man.
Okay.
Sorry.
Documentation from glove box.
I believe it's an owner manual, might be a measuring tape, tire gauge, maybe registration and license, not license, but insurance paperwork. Can't think of anything else that might be in there.
All right, the owner manual.
We'd like that to stay with the vehicle.
All right, so the owner manual is going to stay with the vehicle because really what can you do with an owner manual if you don't have the vehicle? With regards to the measuring tape,
No objection,
okay. Tire gauge,
no objection.
registration, insurance and paperwork copies.
We'd like to at least keep that with the court, I'm sorry, with the vehicle, or at least make copies.
All right. So with that, there will be copies. Sir, are you okay?
Just breathing right now, ma'am.
Okay. Do you need to have a seat?
I think I'll be fine.
Just one second. Deputy Laura, we're gonna get him a seat. All right, yes, let him have, sir, have a seat.
Thank you.
And just take deep breaths. Do we need to call somebody for you?
No, I should be fine, ma'am. Just hyperventilating.
All right, do you need any water?
Yes, please.
I thought I had a bottle.
Quiet down, please, we're on the record.
Could somebody see, do we have cups in the back to get him some water? And then state, do you have any objections to the scooter from the trunk?
Is that this is scooter like
It's,
for injured legs?
Yes.
Okay, no objection to that.
All right,
Again, I'm sorry, just to take photos of it.
okay.
I believe there might be photos, but I have not reviewed that to make sure.
All right, so this is the court's rulings. With regards to the wallet and the contents of the wallet, this and the driver's license, the VA documents, the state is going to take photos. Both defense and Mr. Daniels are going to stipulate that those are copies of the original, and you're going to stipulate to the location it was found in the vehicle. The air pump, the state has no objections. 2 jackets, the state will take photographs of those. Mr. Daniels in defense, you will stipulate that those are items that were found in the vehicle and the location of it. Documentation, the owner manual, that will be denied. Measuring tape, the tire gauge, state if you want to take photos of those and then give them.
Yes, Sean?
The registration insurance paperwork, the state will make copies of those. Both the defense and Mr. Daniels will stipulate that the copies are the originals and to the location where they were found. Scooter from the trunk of the vehicle, state will take photos, and both defense and Mr. Daniel will stipulate that those are photographs of the originals and where they were found. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
No, ma'am.
Anything else?
Any other items?
If there is, I can't recall, ma'am.
All right, so, and counsel, if you all want to make arrangements for you and maybe the investigator or somebody to go view the vehicle, and if there's some items that is not on the list here, you can always come back to the court.
I have it in there.
Okay.
I spoke to him last week, so.
All right, so I'll make notations of this, and then we'll have your client here so he can catch his breath,
Okay,
and they're gonna bring him some water.
all right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure.
All right,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome.
And I'll get a copy of your order
Yes,
for myself.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Could I have so we're here on the motion to revoke?
Yes, Judge.
Are both parties ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
We are right.
All right, could I have a file stamp for a motion to revoke? No problem. Does anybody have a copy of the motion to revoke?
You, Judge?
You need a copy of the motion? to
Yes.
revoke, Judge? I thought you asked for the stamp. I apologize.
Oh, no, I need the stamp as well,
Oh, okay.
but I don't have the motion to revoke. All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2021 CR 5546, State of Texas versus Jonathan David Dash. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Violate, U.S. Department of the State of Texas.
Defense?
Trent Mauer for Mr. Dash.
Are you Mr. Dash?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Jonathan David Dash who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 5546 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1? Penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on July 21st. July 26, 2021 for a period of 4 years. Is that you? State?
Violating condition number 1, on or about the 28th day of August, 2023 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Jonathan David Dash, committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is. It's to alter and amend to extend the defendant for 2 years on probation. And then in addition to that, it's going to be ISP, mental health, and GPS for 6 months.
That is our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor. And I do also have a witness I would like to call whenever the court
Sure.
finds it appropriate. Would you like me to go ahead and call this witness,
Yes.
Your Honor? Defense calls Christine Dash.
Stand on this side. You're back with your face.
All right, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Christine Dash.
Speak up.
Christine Dash.
All right. Defense?
Thank you. Well, Christine, what is your relationship to Jonathan?
Husband, been married 25 years. I wrote this down because I know it's
Sure.
gonna get emotional. Is
Let
it
me
okay if
let
I
me
just-
ask and then
give
you
this to
answer,
her?
okay?
Can I just give this to her?
Your Honor,
I
would you-
know you're not allowed to. You have to ask,
Oh,
they'll ask you
okay.
questions and then you need to answer the
Yeah,
questions.
it's like menopause, so I already know I'm gonna get real emotional about this. I'm sorry.
You said you've been married for 25 years?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, and you were with Jonathan when he picked up this first case?
Uh,
And then when he picked, or I guess when he picked up this new case, you guys were separated at that time, is that correct?
Correct, sir.
And at that time, was he living with you?
No, sir.
He was homeless at that time, is that correct?
Right, that is correct, yes, sir.
And after he picked up this new case, he went to treatment, he has since come home, is that correct?
Right, that is correct.
And how is he doing now since he's returned home?
He's doing so much better. I actually haven't seen this like side of him. We've been together for such a long time. And I've seen him with his ups and downs. I've seen him with his like mental states. I've seen him off his meds. I've seen him on his meds.
And he's on his meds now?
Oh, all of them. I haven't ever seen this like side of him. He's like done a complete like 180 turn that I've like never seen. I'm real like proud of him. He's become a part of his kid's life again. And yeah, I'm really proud of him. I haven't seen this side.
And does he lives with you now?
Right.
And does he help you with the bills and with paying for the house?
Yes, sir.
Would you,
He's very helpful now.
would you be able to manage without his help?
I could really use it. It's been hard. I've got 2 kids with autism. Our kids have autism. And yeah, it's been pretty hard without them.
But again,
I really need them. Yeah.
would you say that since he's returned home, he seems committed to getting his life on the right
He's
track?
been helping out so much. I mean, you can like look at him like he's like gained like 60 pounds. He's like become like a new person. He like helps us out so much. He spends time with the kids, which really means a lot.
All right,
because-
so let me just tell everybody, here's the question. 1, neither person wants him revoked. Is that correct?
Yes,
That is correct, Your Honor.
It appears there is a drug issue here. Is that correct?
yes.
Has he been UA today?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. He has been
Yes.
negative, or on every test he's taken that was negative. He had some diluted.
Oh, well,
He
we,
is pre-diabetic.
all right, we can do a UA now today.
Okay, and after he picked up this new case, he went to ISF. So he's been in treatment, Your Honor, and
All right.
he's adamant that he's not been using.
All right, so let's do a UA and then,
Like,
This isn't just another drug violation. This is a man standing between prison and a rebuilt family. Jonathan Dash broke probation with a new possession case while he was homeless. Now he's back home on his meds, 60 pounds healthier, helping raise 2 kids with autism, and his wife of 25 years is begging the court not to lose him again. Instead of slamming him with prison time, the judge considers stricter probation, mental health supervision, and GPS. Would you give him this second chance? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.
are you Destiny Cortez?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you reviewed all of the discovery with your attorney? I'm sorry, with your client, and did you receive all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor, it's a plea for time only.
All right. Ms. Cortez, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
So Your Honor, the repeater status is proceeding on a third degree felony.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 grams to 4 grams? That's a third degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, was your client able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor, and she is.
Ms. Cortez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 42 months in the prison, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both
Yes,
places?
ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, ma'am.
State, any evidence?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, in 42 months, federal court, we've
No, you're-
elevated ourselves.
It was a hard fought, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, even though I say hard fought, we've been back and forth and it's been a spirited exchange. She's been a very good client. She's very regretful of her actions. She's hoping to follow the plea bargain as presented for the court. Give her credit for all time served. And I might want to suggest when she gets TDC, taking some type of drug treatment.
All right, do you have children?
Yes, I have one,
How old?
9,
And who are they with?
with my godmother.
All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 42 months in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There should be no contact with Carmen Vera Cruz, Diego Armando Moscaro. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors, and I'll recommend the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. However, if you have a drug problem and they accept you into the program, it can help you with that. You will still have to request it because I have no jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're gonna have to change your life because your 9-year-old, you're really supposed to be taking care of the 9-year-old, not somebody else.
Yes.
And when you're released from custody, don't go over to the house acting as though you're the mother of the year, and you're putting down your own rules. You got to slowly integrate yourself back in. But if you're not going to get your life in order, stop hanging around people who are not good people to hang around, and stop using drugs. Don't even bother going to your child's house or anything of that nature, because each time you go and they put their faith and trust in you and you don't follow through, you break their hearts. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.